Tackle Tuesday. This week we are going to be talking about MEND it. I'm sure you're all aware, after you're using the same soft plastic and you catch a few fish on it, chances are that that plastic is going to get ripped up in some way. This tube right here, you can see how the tip of it is just all jacked up. Same thing with these crawls here. I mean, look at this one here, it's just totally destroyed. So instead of just throwing these away, which most people would do, get yourself a bottle of MEND it and repair them. You might only be able to catch one or two more fish off of it, but that's still going to save you some money in the long run as opposed to buying a whole new pack. I'll put links in the description below. You can get this on MEND-it.com or Tackle Warehouse, or I'm sure dozens of other websites. But it's a huge money saver. I highly recommend it. Let's put it to the test, and I'm going to show you how to use it, and we're going to repair these three baits real quick. So you can see this baby rage crawl here has been put to a lot of use. See, the body of it's just tore to pieces, got a claw halfway hanging off. So I'm going to take that and put it all in through here. Put all your stuff on there, get it back into the position you want it in, and set it and leave it. This one is really jacked up on top, so we need a good amount of MEND it up here for this guy. I'm not even sure how I would do it. So on the back of the bottle for MEND it, it says after a few minutes it's as good as new. Normally I leave them sit for quite a while just because I typically do it at night, but let's see. I literally just put this tube together and now you can see it's already staying together. See, I'm trying to pull this apart, it's not working. It's good. Alright guys, well there you have it. Get yourself a bottle of MEND it. Save a ton of money on the long run on soft plastics. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure that you guys are coming back later on this week. On Thursday I am going to have the video ready of the practice that me and Mike had for the Southern Ohio Bassmasters Classic on Norris Lake. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I will be releasing day 1 and day 2 of the tournament. So make sure you tune in for that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me. Check out some other videos. Make sure you pick yourself up a bottle of MEND it. And we will catch you next time. Thanks.